Here's a quick look inside the engine bay. As you can see, it looks old, but we're gonna do some restoration. Here's the brake booster, very rusty, with the master cylinder. This light doesn't work, so I gotta replace it. Air filter housing looking a little rusty. Everything's looking a little rusty. Let's check the other side. This is looking all a bit rusty. There's the starter. Look at the alternator, looking also rusty. There's the valve cover, very rusty and worn down. I think someone tried to paint it before, but we're gonna get it repainted. Yeah, a lot of the components we're gonna replace just to give it a refresh, so it looks kind of new. And this is what it used to be. It used to be color number 306, which is metallic silver. So we're gonna return the car to that silver color. But yeah, here's the engine, and I look forward to upgrading and restoring it soon.